This morning is a fresh beginning, a quiet reminder that you are already enough, just as you are. Before the world asks anything of you, take this moment for yourself. A moment to reconnect, to breathe, to remember your strength. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Today, begin with this simple truth. You are strong and capable of anything. Bring your awareness into your body. Feel yourself supported, steady, present. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow your body to settle. There is nothing to rush. You are exactly where you need to be. Now gently focus on your breath. Notice the inhale and the exhale. Let your breath become smooth and easy. With each inhale, invite in fresh energy. With each exhale, let go of any tension. Breathing in calm. Breathing out ease. Within you lives a quiet, steady strength. It has guided you through so much. And it is here with you now. Take a moment to connect with it. You don't need to force strength. Notice it quietly living within you. Steady, patient, and already enough. Repeat gently. I feel a deep, steady strength within me. Let this feel natural, grounded, true. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing softly in your chest. With each inhale, it brightens. With each exhale, it expands. Feel this light moving through your entire body. This is your inner power. Your resilience. Your calm confidence. any thoughts arise, simply notice them. No need to hold on. No need to push away. Let them pass gently, like clouds in the sky. Return to your breath. Return to your center. And remind yourself, I am steady like the earth beneath shifting skies, and capable like the quiet river that always finds its way. Now softly repeat within, there is a deeper strength in me than I sometimes remember. Even in uncertainty, I remain steady and capable. I have everything I need within me. Let these words settle deeply, like seeds being planted. You don't need to have everything figured out. Life unfolds step by step. And you are fully equipped for the journey. Trust your path. Trust your timing. Trust yourself. There is a natural flow guiding you forward. Now bring your awareness to the day ahead. Gently imagine yourself moving through your day with ease. With clarity, with quiet confidence. See yourself responding with strength. Making decisions with trust. This energy is already yours. Take one final deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Feel a sense of calm strength within you. And repeat one last time. I am strong. I am capable of anything. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you, like a quiet light that stays with you throughout the day.